What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we kind of got a surprise video going. It was completely unexpected. We're going to be going over to Long Island, and we have two things that I'm going to be picking up for my 335i. You know, I have two people that I saw were selling some stuff on Instagram, and I couldn't pass up on the deal. Jumped all over it, and let's just put it like this. 600, 700 horsepower might be coming a lot sooner than I expected, as well as some cosmetic mods. That's all I'm gonna say. You guys are gonna have to wait and come along with us on the journey. Oh, a perfect opportunity to plug his Instagram. Look at that. Go follow Kyle. He's got a nice Infiniti G37X. It's actually pretty quick. I'm trying to get him to do some mods to it. We'll see what we can force him to do. All right, so fast forward to the next day. I finally took everything out of the car. By the time we got home last night, it was pretty late, and I just didn't have the energy that I do right now. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys everything that we got. Boom! All right, so what we have here is a set of VMR 710s. Now, I got these for a super good deal. I'm not keeping them as they are. As you can see, there's some curb rash and stuff on them. Now these I went and picked up from Marcus, who let me drive the M3. So he used to have a 335i and he had these on. Now he's got the M3, so he has the stock wheels, obviously. So he hooked me up big time with these. They obviously already have tires on them, but I have my own tires right here. I have some Federal RSRRs. I'm going to be running 235/40/18, which is really 245 because Federals run a whole size bigger. And then down here, we have 265s, which are really 275s. These tires are really big, and I actually measured it with a tape measure, and these were 11 inches, and these 265s were only 10 inches. So it just goes to show how much wider Federal tires actually are. So Federal actually hooked me up big time. They sent me out stickers. If you guys need any tires from Federal, or if you just want like any track or super sticky tires, I highly recommend these RSRRs. They're very sticky, and they're very cheap too. So DM them if you need anything. They'll definitely hook you up. So now, the big thing that I really went to Long Island to get, because I had to jump all over it, was something that I had no intention on getting this soon. So as you guys know, I don't have any fueling or anything like that right now. So my car is pretty much limited to about 450 horsepower, probably somewhere around there to the wheels, because I have stock high pressure fuel pump, stock low pressure fuel pump, and no port injection or anything like that. So this is what we went to get. He gave me his Motive port injection kit with the JB4 integration kit already. So now literally I have the JB4 integration kit because I have the JB4, and now I have the fuel rail and the whole port injection spacer along with 550cc injectors. So on that note, the car's kind of taking a turn. Originally I was going to just go with like cosmetic stuff, exterior stuff right now. But now, since I have that, I think it's time to make like 600 horsepower. What do you guys think? Should I put this in now, get the low pressure fuel pump? I was gonna get like a stage 2 bucket list because I don't think I need stage 3. Stage 3 is like if I want like 700 plus, and I'm not willing to blow my motor again, even though that one's probably fine. But yeah, anyway, besides that, I don't really want to go over 600, honestly. Like maybe 650 max, and a stage 2 bucket list will be capable of handling that along with this port injection kit. So let me know in the comments below, should I put this port injection kit in now or go cosmetics? Also with cosmetics, that leads to the rims. What am I going to do to the rims? We're going to try these on in the next video. We're going to bring the BMW in the garage. As you can see, it's not in here right now. I'll bring the BMW in the garage. We'll take the old rims off, put these on, make sure that the fitment and everything is good. These specs are 18 by 8.5 front with a 33 offset, and the rears are 18 by 9.5 with a 35 offset. I believe that's the proper offsets, or else they might be 33 and 35. I'm not exactly sure. But I'm gonna get these powder coated and fixed. Fix up all the curb rash, get them powder coated. So I don't know what color to do. Because with the cosmetics, I was actually going to wrap the car. Like, I was actually gonna get my car wrapped within like the next, probably like 2 months. And now, spent a little bit of extra money. This was a pretty expensive pickup. And I'm not so sure if it's gonna get wrapped right away or not. Originally, I'm not gonna lie. As Steve said in a previous video, as you guys saw, like, I did all the red stuff to the car, like the whole red engine bay. And I was gonna do these rims red and have like a red and black theme. But now I wanna get the car wrapped, and I already know the color that I wanna wrap it. But let me know what color you guys think I should do them. That's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you guys are excited. As you see, we have tires, we have more power coming soon with the port injection kit, and we have this beautiful set of VMR 710s. But, okay, that's enough talk. It's gonna be the end for the video. Let me know what you guys think I should do in the comment section below. Always remember, work hard, stay humble.